Welcome back to the class Investment and Portfolio Management. Today's topic is digital investment and digital asset. Before we starting the lecture, I would like to let you know what are the learning objectives. I expect students able to describe digital investment and digital asset after you complete these topics. Students are required to enable to identify risks associated digital asset. I then would like to introduce you to the topics about digital investment, digital asset, and the risks associated digital investment. Shall we start with the digital investment? What is digital investment? Here you go, the digital investment, right? Digital investment are typically investment that buy or sells any assets by using digital platform, tool, or technology. The keyword of the digital investment, as you can notice at the first bullet point, that is to use digital platforms, tools, or technology in order to buy or to sell investment products. What are investment products? Please notice on the third bullet point that are, for example, the investment products that are bonds, stocks, mutual fund, alternative investment, or might be cryptocurrencies. Shall we move to the digital platform? As the previous slide that I mentioned that the digital investment is to invest via the digital platform, tool, or technology. So here, what is the digital platform? The digital platform in this case, right, include online brokerage account, robo-advisor, or might be trading application, etc. And the keyword that I would like to introduce you to have the idea that is the digital wallet. What is digital wallet? Here you go, the digital wallet are involved with using digital platforms for any investment, right? So here the digital wallet are tools or applications which be used to access digital platform, store and manage the digital asset in the digital platform. The most important of digital wallet that is you need to keep the private key security. That is the most important in order to use the digital wallet. You should not disclose the private key to other people. On this slide, I show you the example of digital platform in Thailand. For example, DAM, D-I-M-E, DAM by Kietnakin Patra Financial Groups. SCB Easy Invest by Siam Commercial Bank. K My Funds by Kasikorn Bank. Phenomena, BitCup, Stock Ladder, or Global Advisors. May I introduce you to have the idea about Damned by Kietnakin Patra Financial Group. You can invest in any kind of the asset via digital platform. Here on this slide, I introduce you, for example, DAM is an application that you can download then invest. in particular of the application of DAM by Kiatnakin Patra Financial Group. You can invest, it might be US stocks, US stock options, gold, etc. via digital investment platform such as DAM. Such as digital investment platform of HCB Easy by Siam Commercial Banks, as I show you on this slide, that the HCB Easy Invest by Siam Commercial Bank offer a variety of investment options. You can invest in mutual funds, you can invest in ETF, the exchange trade funds, you can invest in bonds with low minimum investment. As well, for the phenomena is the other of the digital platforms investment. Phenomena applications offer personalized investment recommendation. Phenomena application analyze, that is the analysis tool to help the user, to help the investor to select the mutual funds, and then this application create the diversified portfolio model by investing in mutual funds. BitCup. Some of you still already have the idea what is the BitCup, right? BitCup is the application that you can invest in like the cryptocurrency exchange. That is a kind of the platform you can buy and sell and hold the cryptocurrency like a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other currency in the cryptocurrency. Then the stock radar that we call like a bot trade, right? BOT, we call like a bot trade. The stock radar. The stock radar is the digital platform to support investor, right, to buy or to sell the stock in the stock market. The bot trade, that is the stock radar, the bot trade offer, right? The bot that stand for, that is in short of the robot, right? Offer the bot trading service, right? The user or the investor can customize the automated trading strategy based on the technical indicators, stock screener, and specific conditions. The stock radar can provide the faster, right? The faster service than the human traders. Robo advisor. What is the robo advisor? Right here you are. The robo advisor is the digital platform as well, which support investor to buy or to sell the stock. The robo advisor is the automated financial service platform using the algorithm-driven financial service platform. The robo advisor provide the investment advice, provide the data analytics, and support or help the investor build and manage the investment portfolio with lower cost. I just introduced you some of the digital platform, right? So here I would love to introduce you what are the advantages of digital investment. That are, for example, right, investor can buy or sell the asset by using electronic device. That easier to access to any financial market, financial assets, right? The investor can monitor your portfolio with lower fee compared to the traditional broker or the traditional transactions. We already complete in the part of the digital, right? Digital investment, right? Or the digital platform. Then shall we move to the digital asset? What are digital asset? What do you think? Here you are, the digital asset, right? The digital assets are the assets in digital form that are created, stored, and traded through digital platform. For example of the digital asset, right? Like a cryptocurrency, digital security, right? Bonds, equity, digital token, digital collectible. In terms of the cryptocurrency, what are cryptocurrency? What do you think? The cryptocurrency are the digital currency which operate independently of a central bank. For example, of cryptocurrency that you may familiar with, for example, like a Bitcoin, like a Ethereum. Or you already have the idea what are the digital investment, right? That is the digital platform. What are the digital asset? For this part, I would like you to know the risks associated digital investment that is related with the digital asset. Firstly, right, the digital asset may contain some of the risks associated digital asset. That is for the first one. Regulatory risks. What are the regulatory risks? Government policy, right? There are some government policy toward the digital assets that, for example, some country restricts or ban crypto tradings. New tax law or regulation may reduce the profitability of your portfolio. For the second risk associated digital asset, that is the liquidity risk. What are liquidity risks? Some digital assets have low trading volume, difficult to buy or to sell quickly at fair price. And some small cap tokens may have not enough buyer. Then if you are the seller who want to sell any token, it's a bit difficult because of the low liquidity in order to match the order. The third risk associated digital asset here that I would like to introduce you, that is the technology risk. Digital assets rely on the blockchain and digital infrastructure. So, technical failure may cause loss or delay transactions that may bring you cannot match your transaction, or you cannot buy or sell your digital asset. The fourth risk associated digital asset that I would like to introduce you, that is the market risk. What is the market risk? Digital asset price can fluctuate dramatically within a short period that bring high chance to capital loss and require strong risk tolerance of the investor. As the last example of the risk associated digital asset, that is the fifth one, that is the valuation risk. What is valuation risk? Digital assets often do not have the traditional value metrics, right? Earning or the dividend payout, right? Then the price of the digital asset may be driven by speculation rather than the fundamental. So here, that's all that I would like to share you the idea, that I would like to introduce you the idea of the digital investment and digital asset.